Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're gonna do a little bit of speculation, although it's more speculation as to when it's gonna happen and what percentage off. Possible sales going on at the spring Black Friday parking lot sale coming up in April, so it's not like we're that far away. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And let's just go ahead and jump in. First, we'll look at the tentative dates subject to change parking lot sale calendar. We went through January. We're at the tail end of the March parking lot sale. We have the spring Black Friday sale slated to start beginning of April. The spring Black Friday. So that's what we have our eyeballs on, and that's what we believe these sales will be. So we'll start off with motorcycle, ATV, and mower lifts promotion. I don't believe I've seen this one on the website, and we don't have a percentage off. This is just which items will be included, but this one from the HARBRO eyes is new to the promotions reel. So we have motorcycle, ATV, and mower lifts promotion. The more pricey one is at $570. So if you're looking to get a motorcycle, ATV, or mower lift, these will likely be in the range of course, 20 to 35% off in the next parking lot sale. If I had to venture a guess, it'd be about 30% off. Only one of these really is outside of the other floor jack prices. This is the one that's $570, 1,000-pound steel, a motorcycle lift. So if this gets in the 25 to 30% range off, saving about $150, get down to $430, depending what that sale is. Fisher, mower, ATV, high lift jack, and then of course we have our Pittsburgh lifts, motorcycle lift, a couple different options, aluminum versus steel, and then a lawnmower, 300-pound lawnmower ATV lift. And that's the first promotion we've found that looks new. HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong, but this promotion looked new. Next one that I believe we've had something similar, so this one might be a throwaway, but it had a lot more items. And this wording is going to be key. So this is an auto detailing bundle promotion. So that tells me there's going to be a bundle of these 4 items at a discount. So this strikes me more as a weekend deal possibly, or maybe one of those super coupons that goes on for a few weeks. But this to me would be all of these items. Let's just get a rough idea. So total, these are $36. No one ever pays for a bucket, or if you do, you don't pay for it often. So this should be well discounted below this. Maybe they do a 30% off bundle. Maybe get all of this for $20. And this Grant's Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel, the double XL, super HARBRO approved. This is always very popular. I think they've done 50% off actually off of some of these items from Grant's. So maybe they'll do a huge discount on this bundle. So that's something we'll keep an eye on. But this is also new to the promotions that I've been tracking. So a possible candidate for the parking lot sale would be motorcycle, ATV, mowers, and lift promotions. Auto detailing bundle looks like it could be a weekend deal, but still interesting. Be nice to have a big discount on these 4 items. And then this one, also haven't seen. This one item is on the parking lot sale, so it's $40 off. So maybe they'd match. And this one here is 30% off. But this is the towing hitches and receivers promotion. Again, new. I haven't seen this. Again, HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't seen this promotion. If it is, it's been a while, but it's new to the promotions I'm tracking. And this is Hallmaster. And they have quite a bit of items, including the 10,000-pound capacity weight distribution hitch, prevent dangerous trailer sway with this weight distributing hitch system. So again, this promotion feels like it would be a parking lot sale type promotion. And I would think they would match or get close to this 30% off that they've offered for some of these specific items. So I'd say 25 to 30% off of towing hitches and receivers could be very popular to get the price down on some of these items. And there's quite a few options. A large amount of hitches, magnetic trailer alignment kit, classic steel ball hitches. Anyways, that's the towing hitches and receivers promotion. Quite a few options. This does feel like, to me, it would be a potential option for the spring Black Friday sale, somewhere between 20 and 30, maybe 35% off. Then another one that I haven't seen is tool bags, totes, and backpacks promotion. 21 items. Already some great deal on the Voyager ones. 50% off right now during the parking lot sale. This one, the 15-inch, $498, the 12-inch, $396, 25% off for the Voyager. For ITC, 41% off for the Hercules right now for ITC at $9.94. What a crazy price. Only 17 bucks. But I haven't seen this promotion either. Tool bags, totes, backpacks promotion. I believe this Hercules backpack and the Bauer have recently been on super coupons or ITC. But of course, if you didn't pull the trigger on those, they were pretty good deals. I would expect this also, again, between 20 to 35% off. Let's just say they did the 35% off of 140. Potentially get this Hercules down to sub 100 bucks. Get it down to 91 bucks, save about $50. But again, it depends on what that promotion is. So this one is pretty cool to get some tool bags or totes. Really nice looking bags. Of course, the Bauer 18-inch roller tool bag, the 20-inch tool tote with 21 pockets. Hercules, the Bauer heavy-duty job site backpack. Voyager is absolutely crushing it with getting their bags down super discounted. Even this nice 16-inch large mouth, that's what he said. Tool bag at 60 bucks. Hopefully it'd be a nice discount to get this down. If it's 30% off, get this down almost 20 bucks. So that's a tool bags, totes, and backpacks promotion. I would say is a good candidate for the spring Black Friday sale. This one I have also not seen. This is the tape measures and levels promotion. I haven't seen this at all. Seen a couple of deals on the levels, of course. 20% off here for the parking lot sale, down from 100 bucks. Let's sort this high to low. So Bauer offering 4 different levels of levels. Level inception, 30 foot, 40 foot, 50 foot, 100 foot self-leveling cross-line lasers or line laser levels. Great deal right now. 20% off, solid if you need to pull the trigger on one. But again, it depends what the percentage off is. It should be 20 to 30% off. But you'd have an option of these Bauer laser levels. Laser level tripod at 35 bucks, which is insane because tripods can be pretty expensive. 16-foot tile flooring laser level, Doyle level, Hercules tape measures. If I had to take an educated guess, I imagine this would be probably roughly about 30% off. So get some at least comparable deals to the 30% off of items $20 and under. It would be nice if they did 35% off to differentiate these sub $20 promotions. And of course, just different levels from Pittsburgh Pro, Bauer tape measures. But interesting to see. I don't believe I've seen this tape measure and levels promotion. So this one, again, good candidate for the spring Black Friday sale. Tape measures and levels promotion. We keep going. And this is going to be the one, depending how we're reading it, that a lot of the HARBROs have been waiting for. This is new to the promotions that I've been tracking. It's the Hercules bundle promotion. Hercules bundle promotion. Now, they only have 7 items listed. Of course, they have the battery and charger kit, and they have 6 tools. They have the Hercules 20-volt brushless, cordless, compact reciprocating saw, tool only, $69.99, nice. The Hercules 20-volt, 200-mile-per-hour compact job site blower, tool only. The 20-volt brushless, cordless, half-inch compact impact wrench, tool only, nice. The Hercules 20-volt cordless compact heat gun, tool only at 40 bucks. The Hercules 20 or 120 volt cordless dual power job site fan, $25. And then the Hercules 20 volt cordless half-gallon wet dry portable vacuum pump or vacuum tool only at 45 bucks. So just one that we saw within the parking lot sale. I'm using this Bauer as an example. This is promoted as buy a Bauer starter kit. Buy Bauer buy starter kit, get free tool. So choose from 7 tools. Here's your starter kit. Now the wording is slightly different. This is Hercules bundle promotion. So I don't know if they're going to do a different type of promotion or if it's just different wording for no reason whatsoever. Just less tools. I mean, choose from 7 tools from Bauer. It's a similar amount. And it could just be choose from 6 different tools from Hercules. But again, no price. We've seen the prices before. Bauer used to be Bauer kit at $89. This time it's at $99. Hercules used to go down to a $99 starter kit. Does that mean they'll do it at 110 bucks? I don't know. I imagine they would also do it at 99 bucks. Maybe that's just wishful thinking. But this is new to the promotions list. I haven't seen a Hercules bundle promotion in a while since they've last got rid of the Hercules starter kit. They've been selling batteries at a discount, instant savings. But these are the potential spring Black Friday deals or promotions that'll lead up through spring Black Friday or through the summer. They fall into the logic that our last parking lot sale that's finishing right now fell in. And here they are. Hercules bundle promotion, tape measures and level promotion, tool bags, totes, backpack promotion, towing hitch and receivers promotion, auto detailing bundle promotion, motorcycle, ATV, and mower lifts promotion. Then again, those sales are very far. I want to say very far. Still about a month away, so things can change. But we'll leave it at that. What do the hard bros think? What do you think of these 6 Hercules possible bundle promotions? Reciprocating saw, blower, impact wrench, heating gun, fan, vacuum. These will be a promotion. They're on the website. It just depends where they land, and it depends what the promotion price off is. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, hard bros. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you find these useful. Maybe speculation is confusing, but I get excited when I see a Hercules bundle promotion, and in every video I make, there's comments about when are we getting a Hercules bundles promotion. Well, it's coming up. It's coming up at one point. When, I can't say exactly, but we will as soon as we have that information. And that'll lead me into, as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Again, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon, look at that, reminder, parking lot sale. As soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.